Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test a servo motor. And also we will try to understand the program for operating a servo motor. So let's get started. Here are my Arduino Uno board and the Servo SG90. First of all, I'm connecting the servo with Arduino. Servo has 3 terminals. The red one is VCC. The brown one is ground. And the yellow one is for signal. So, now I will connect the red one to the positive power supply. Brown one to the ground. And yellow one to any PWM pin of Arduino. Always remember that the signal terminal of the servo will connect with the PWM pin of the Arduino. Now come to the Arduino IDE and try to understand the code for operating the servo. At first, we have to include the servo library file to interface the servo with Arduino. Taking a variable position to store the position of the servo. And initially assigning its value to 0. Hence it can start from the 0 position. Now creating an object to control the servo. Now in the void setup function, we have to define the pin of the Arduino, where I have attached the signal terminal. To define it we have to write the object name .attach, pin number in parenthesis. As the object name is my servo, so I'm writing my servo.attach 9. Now coming in the void loop. Here I will use a for loop that will start from 0 to 180 in steps of 1 degree. Now my servo.write, position in parentheses, to write the position of the servo. Then use 15 milliseconds delay. Now, to go back from 180 degrees to 0 positions, I'm writing a reverse for loop compared to the first for loop. Again use 15 milliseconds delay for the servo to reach the position. For testing, I'm connecting the Arduino board with my computer and uploading the program. The program is loaded now. The servo is working properly. It's rotating from 0 to 180 degrees in steps of 1 degree. Now I'm modifying the previous code. I want that the servo initially will stay at 0 degrees. Then will rotate 90 degrees after 500 milliseconds. Then again will rotate 90 after 500 milliseconds. For that just use my servo.write function. Just enter the position angle in the parentheses according to your requirement. Now I'm uploading the new program. And it's working properly. Now it's rotating at 0, 90 and 180 degrees. That's for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials on Arduino. Thank you for watching.